In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a time entry in a Hubstaff. This process is straightforward, but you'll want to follow these steps closely to ensure you're doing it correctly. Whether you're tidying up your records or correcting a mistake, we'll help you through the process smoothly and efficiently. To start, head over to the left sidebar. Here, you can access various features of Hubstaff that help you track your activities. For today's task, you'll want to focus on the timesheet section. Click on Timesheets, and then you'll see an option called View and Edit. This is where you will manage and make changes to your time entries. Once you've clicked into View and Edit, you'll be given a choice of different views to select from: daily, weekly, or calendar. These options let you see your time records in a format that you're most comfortable working with. Whether you're managing just a day's worth of work or looking at your entire week, you can select the view that makes it easier to find the specific time entry you wish to delete. Now let's locate that particular time entry. Carefully scroll through your selected view to find the exact entry that you need to remove. It's good to double check the details to ensure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have multiple similar entries. Taking that extra moment to confirm the entry can prevent accidental deletions of important information. Once you've identified the time entry, the next step is to look out for the Actions button associated with it. This button is your gateway to making changes. Click on it and you'll see several options appear, one of which will be the Delete option. After you click on Delete Time Entry, you'll typically get a prompt asking you to confirm your action. This is a safeguard to ensure you really want to delete this entry. Confirm your choice and the time entry will be permanently removed from your records in Hubstaff. This step is crucial because once deleted, the entry might not be recoverable, so it's always best to be certain before hitting that Delete button. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted a time entry in Hubstaff. This process can really help keep your timesheets neat and corrected, ensuring that your records accurately reflect the time spent on various tasks and projects. Remember, keeping your digital workspace organized can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.